Polite expressions for making requests. Using, I was wondering if. Welcome to our English language learning video on polite expressions for making requests. In this video, we will focus on a specific phrase that can help you make requests politely and effectively. By using the phrase, I was wondering if, you can express your request in a polite and considerate manner. So, let's dive in and learn how to use this expression to make requests confidently. When using the phrase, I was wondering if, to make a request, it's essential to understand its structure. This phrase is commonly followed by a question or a request for information. It sets a polite and inquisitive tone, making your request more respectful. Here are a few examples to illustrate the structure. I was wondering if you could lend me your pen. I was wondering if it would be possible to reschedule the meeting. I was wondering if you have any recommendations for good books to read. By starting your request with, I was wondering if, you show that you are seeking information or assistance, rather than making a direct demand. This helps maintain a friendly and respectful tone in your conversations. Let's explore some common situations where you can use the phrase, I was wondering if, to make requests. 1. Asking for a favor. If you need someone's help or assistance, using, I was wondering if, can convey your request politely. For example, I was wondering if you could help me move some furniture this weekend. 2. Requesting information. When you're seeking information, using, I was wondering if, can make your question sound more polite. For instance, I was wondering if you have any information about upcoming job opportunities. 3. Seeking permission. If you need permission to do something, using, I was wondering if, can demonstrate respect for the other person's authority. For instance, I was wondering if I could borrow your car for a few hours. 4. Making suggestions. When you want to propose an idea or suggestion, using, I was wondering if, can make your suggestion sound less imposing. For example, I was wondering if we could have a team meeting to discuss the project. To make your requests using, I was wondering if, even more effective, consider the following tips. 1. Be polite and friendly. Remember to maintain a polite and friendly tone throughout your request. Using, please, and, thank you, can further enhance the politeness of your message. 2. Provide context. When making a request, it's helpful to provide some context or explanation. This can make your request clearer and increase the chances of a positive response. For instance, instead of saying I was wondering if you could help me, you can say I was wondering if you could help me with the math homework since I'm having difficulty understanding it. 3. Use appropriate body language. If you're making the request in person, pay attention to your body language. Maintain eye contact, have a pleasant expression, and use appropriate gestures to convey your request politely. Congratulations! You've learned how to use the phrase, I was wondering if, to make requests politely and effectively. By incorporating this expression into your conversations, you can maintain a respectful tone while seeking assistance or information. Remember to be polite, provide context, and use appropriate body language to enhance the effectiveness of your requests. Keep practicing, and soon you'll become a master at making polite requests in